The USS Ford wielding electromagnetic launch and arrest systems so advanced that aliens would think humans were from the future. At peak performance, these systems offer 4,100 takeoffs and 16,500 arrests before faults. Such reliability would mean less work for the carrier's massive complement of 4,500 people, all of whom are catered to with onboard life-enhancement features such as ergonomic spaces and gymnasiums. For these reasons and the bonus of completely leaving the Chinese Fujian in the sea equivalent of dust, the USS Ford comes at an estimated whopping cost of $17.5 billion.